The closely watched Lindsay Clancy trial could be wrapping up. The Massachusetts mother's defense team trying to convince the jury she was experiencing postpartum psychosis when she killed her 3 children in 2023. As ABC's Rena Roy reports, the defense says they could rest as early as today, and closing arguments will likely take place on Monday.
Jurors hearing another day of testimony in a case that's gripping the nation. Lindsay Clancy's defense attorney trying to convince the jury she should not be held criminally responsible for killing her 3 young children in 2023. More witnesses taking the stand today in defense of the Massachusetts mother.
Lindsay talks frequently about her children. She loves them deeply. She carries immense grief.
This week, psychologist Paul Zeisel taking the stand as a key witness for the defense, testifying Clancy was suffering from both bipolar disorder and postpartum psychosis.
She had said that she heard a male voice ordering her, telling her that she didn't have any choice, but she had to kill her children and then kill herself.
Zeisel has met with Clancy about 60 times, beginning just 11 days after the killings and her attempted suicide. He told jurors by then she could no longer determine right from wrong. Prosecutors have tried to cast doubt on that claim through 71 witnesses who testified over 3 weeks. They argue she acted intentionally and should be sent to prison. Clancy's mother-in-law and mother also testifying in her defense, saying she was a loving mother whose mental health took a turn.
She told us that she had thoughts of harming the children.
Both of them testifying they were concerned about side effects from the medications she was on. According to court records, Clancy was prescribed more than a dozen different psychiatric drugs in the months before the killings. Clancy's attorney says closing arguments will likely begin on Monday. After that, the case will be in the jury's hands to decide Lindsay Clancy's fate. Rena Roy, ABC News, New York.